Hey guys, my name's Travis from RBPR out here in Carstairs, Alberta. Today I want to show you guys to a brand new premier plan. This is the 23 RBPR. This plan weighs in at 5,300 pounds dry, is only 27 feet 6 inches long. We've made some big changes this year and I'm excited to show you guys all about them. One of the first things I want to point out is the new pass-through storage doors. We've extended them an extra 12 inches, giving you a 42-inch wide door. Now I also want to invite you guys to the far side and show you one quick thing on the other side of the RV here. So here we are on the far side of the RV. We still got that same 42-inch pass-through door, but you'll notice the addition of the universal docking center. Now this is going to be an insulated area to keep all your water connections, cable connections, and everything else like that. We've also added in a battery disconnect and added on power stabilizer jacks, ran through the two switches inside that center there. Now I'll meet you guys back on the far side. So on the door side of this plan, you're going to notice a nice size power awning on this. We've also still done the spread axle design for increased towability, and we've got a great outdoor kitchen just behind me I want to show you guys. So we've done the 2-burner cooktop with the quick connect down below for the propane, fully plumbed in hot cold sink, some additional storage, and that 110 fridge for the beverages outside. Now we'll jump in and check out the interior on this new plan. Here we are inside the beautiful 23 RBPR. First thing I wanted to show off is the spacious rear bathroom back here. We're going to have a porcelain foot flush toilet, banjo extension on our sink, and a great size walk-in shower. Now I'm 6'2", I've got lots of headspace in here, lots of areas to get cleaned up, so lots of space in that shower. We've also got great size storage area just above that outdoor kitchen. Now as we make our way back into the living space, we've got the beautiful large U-shaped dinette with seating areas for the whole family. Just below that dinette, we've got the dream storage drawers, full extension pull-out, so you never have to get on your hands and knees and reach something in the back of that cabinet. Another good swap we've made this year is placing our entertainment center across from the seating area. Now that's going to leave you a more comfortable area viewing the TV. And we've also done a great bit of storage, as well as a bank of drawers below that entertainment center. And then just on the back side, we've put in a great pantry with some adjustable shelves that you could utilize as a coat closet if you wanted, right when you come in the door here. Now we'll jump up front. We'll go take a peek into the master bedroom. When we jump in here, you're going to find a full residential 60 by 80 queen bed, mirrored wardrobes on both sides of that bed with the addition of drawers below. Now one other new change we've made this year you'll notice is the pillow side shelves on both sides of that queen bed. They're going to have 2 USBs as well as 2 110 plugs to keep you charged up and mobile. So this has been the 2020 Premier 23 RBPR. Once again, my name is Travis at RBPR in Carstairs, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks, and have a great day.